everyone, this is Harsh Govil. I belong to Kurukshetra, yes, the land of Mahabharata. I've had an eventful childhood growing up in an all-boys boarding school. So I grew up facing the travails of being part of one gender community, but the joy of having a group to play with throughout the day, 24/7. Basically boys made up for all the grievances I could possibly have held. So I've grown up to cherish and reminisce over my childhood. After schooling, I chose law as my subject for graduation. This had been my long-standing area of interest. It won't be an exaggeration to state that I was mesmerized by lawyers' adeptness in owning arguments. So I took various law entrance exams and luckily made it to Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University. During my years studying law, I developed a longing to be part of the corporate sector. As those of you watching this are already aware of the fact by now, that CAT is one amongst the most prestigious exams and your ticket to a reputed MBA college in India, I chose to sit for CAT in 2019, and with this I began my preparation. On the day of the exam, I was relatively calm and it went by rather smoothly. With the declaration of results, I was made aware that I was eligible for participation in the CAP round. This time, on the day of the interview, I found myself being a little edgy, but I was able to calm my nerves in time and it went fairly well. The results were delayed as a consequence of coronavirus raging in the months following the CAP round, but when the results did finally start coming in, I found an offer letter in my mailbox from IIMSED Mod. I was nothing short of on cloud 9 by the side of this meeting. It listed a few modalities that I was supposed to meet, which I met in time, and with this, I became a part of the IIMSED Mod family. As the classes were scheduled to begin in early August, there was a lot of skepticism around having to undergo classes in the online format, and that too for a course like MBA. I was myself not sure of the efficacy of this mode of education. What if things didn't work out? But was there any other alternative? No. And this was new both for the administration and the students alike. When the term began, we were introduced to a lot of new things. Online examinations, online classes, online competitions, online meet and greets, etc. It took us a while to get used to the nitty-gritties of this mode of education. But today, if you ask me, although I remain oblivious to the offline experience at a management school, the learnings have been profound and profuse. In a management school, networking is inevitable. Online communication cannot prevent teamwork and networking. With projects and other group activities, you are passively in the company of your batchmates 24/7. It didn't take more than a week for us to get to know each other. Technology allowed us to transcend the barriers that came our way. To be a part of a premier institute, it pays dividends. In fact, my batchmates have contributed equally, if not more, to my learning here. I might be stepping ahead of myself here as I'm still too young to be commenting on this, but if I were to mention one or two things at the top of my head, these would be: 1. I desist from drawing comparison among individuals. A very rudimentary thing to say, but the reason being, how can we compare two individuals who have grown up under the guidance of different parents, went to different schools, grew up in different hometowns? Another thing, anytime I feel low, I start thinking of all the good things I have or I've had in my life. It helps me realize of how far I've traveled, how far I've come. This is just like turning on the light when you enter a dark room. This journey in itself, from preparing for CAT to an MBA college, if I were to put it in one word, is awakening. You get to witness a totally new side of yourselves. Because by the time you start preparing for CAT, you are mature enough to understand how this decision, these 6-7 months of preparing for CAT, can affect your future. So now with the exam over, I wish you luck with the interviews. May fortune smile upon you and you make it to the college of your dreams. Alright, I'll take a leave now. Thank you for listening.